up, you skibbity sigmas? Today, I'm playing Animal Company. Sorry I couldn't release the Gorilla Type video. I couldn't because I think Gorilla Type broke because I can't do it in public no more, I think. I don't know. Hello. A little friend here wants something to do with us. He will try to do something with this. Yo, relax, bro. No need to kill me. Revolver ammo. Let's go. I heard you have a revolver over there, so that's perfect. $2 more. Nice.
Oh, thank you.
Flashlight is good. My old revolver I just dropped because I had no ammo left. Yeah, you're cooked. Come here. I'm also going to be opening chicken things until I run out of
going on. Oh, Ranger, all they want is your money. All they want is your money. These are not actually like you. All they want to do is just want your money, bro. All they do is just want to have your money. Because they have no money and they're greedy. Because they want to be lazy. They want to get money from you. Because they're lazy.
You can live. Okay.
I'm gonna throw a backpack full of explorer. Join me.
You're cursed, little chicken.
And a
What? Bro, why do they be able to jump? What? What? They both just disappeared. Now I ended up revolver. But I want my crowbar, so I don't really care. I'm just gonna waste the ammo. Yeah! Get jumped! Hey, yo, wait.
Oh, I messed up.
I'm smacking this guy's guy up.
Yo, Francisco, where'd you go?
Yeah, well, I killed him. I just shoot him. Cock it back. You fall to death. Bro, that was so close. Yo, it's a spear.
Do you have a teleportator? Do you have a teleport? Bro, do you wanna go get the key?
Alright.
Yeah, come.
Where's the other chickens?
Killing go.
Okay. Where's another chicken? That's my old flashlight, whatever. Rat guy should respawn. Oh, yep, he did. Yes. You're cooked, rat guy. Because these have 3 bullets, and that's what it takes to kill you. Bro, what? Come back. Where are you going?
Paper.
Yeah, night.
You just explore another.
Another big fire.
Where's the 7 RPGs? Where's the 7
Hello.
Snow artillery on top of the frozen lake?
Wait, come here. I need that. Whoa, that was scary. If I try to hit it more, it's gone. Flashlight, I forgot I left that there. Great. Come on, open. Let me turn my flashlight off. Okay, still doesn't work. Oh, I hear a rock guy.
You gotta hit it multiple times.
I I hate this game. Take a flashlight. I'm gonna go kill Rocket. Whoa! Whoa! What the skibbity? How, bro? How did he get us? Where are you at? Okay. Wait. Ew, it's a mimic. Oh god, I'm gonna get so cooked. Because I have no health.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Why can't I climb? Why can't I climb? Why can't I climb?
I'll save you.
What the Sigma?
I'll try to save you. You stupid mimic. You wanna kill people? You're cheating, bro. You're making me fall. Oh, fuck this game.